Every parent knows that one of the greatest joys in life is watching their child explore the world, taking that first ride with wonder and excitement. But along with these cherished moments comes a common concern. How can we ensure their safety? Introducing Xnito Kids Helmets, a groundbreaking innovation in head protection, designed to keep up with kids who ride fast, go far, and explore fearlessly. With the growing population of children riding electric vehicles and joining family rides on e-cargo bikes, this concern is more pressing than ever, and Xnito is here to change that. Certified with NTA 8776 for e-bike safety, these helmets go beyond the standard, offering protection at higher speeds. They feature integrated front and rear LED lights for maximum visibility, ensuring your child stays seen from every angle, day or night. Paired with a magnetic buckle for effortless closure and a detachable visor for customizable comfort, Xnito helmets redefine safety and convenience. They don't stop there. With lightweight, fully ventilated designs, fun foam stickers to spark creativity, and vibrant color options, these helmets make riding not just safe, but exciting. And it all begins with a personal story that brought this vision to life.
Hi, my name is Ben Dye, founder of Xnito. We launched in June 2022 with a simple mission: to create the world's first helmet truly designed for e-bike riders. In just 2.5 years, we've become the best-selling e-bike helmet in the US, and we're even invited to pitch on Shark Tank. When we started, we didn't make a kid's version. Honestly, we didn't think children would be riding e-bikes or electric vehicles, or going as fast as they are today. But many of you told us we needed to make a version for kids, and we listened. With more kids now riding e-bikes, scooters, and electric cargo bikes, the need for real protection is more important than ever. So I'm proud to announce we're launching the world's first e-bike rated helmet for kids. It's NTA 8776 certified, built for speed, and made to keep up with the way families ride today.
What's the story? What happened to your son?
Yeah, so it's a crazy one. So at the weekend, he was riding home from the gym. He's going down the road. And as he's wobbled, his tyres went into the curb, and he sort of like fell off, but he's fell off into the pavement as opposed to the road. And I looked at his helmet, and there I could see some scrapes, but then I saw like a series of dents. So obviously the first thing I was thinking is, thank God you had your helmet on, and he might have had scarring, bleeding, but as you say, dented, and who knows what it could have done to his brain. So, at least it's eliminated that risk. So for me, it was just like, thank God, and a very good investment.
Thank you for being part of this incredible journey. We couldn't have done it without you. We're beyond thrilled to launch this next chapter with you. We are grateful for your continued support, and we look forward to develop even more innovative safety products in the future.